Hello, it's my birthday today and for birthday dinner I went to a new place in Kolkata. You can guess the place or stay tuned to know more. Here we reached our destination, Absolute Barbecues. AB has opened their first branch in Kolkata in Sector 5 Salt Lake. While they are setting up our table, I will give you an internal tour of the restaurant. The main attraction of AB, a live shark, has been kept here in the live grill counter. Other than the normal chicken, fish and mutton items, they have the exotic meats like shark, emu, quail, etc. Next comes a street food counter. Here they have pani puri, golgappa, sukha puri, dahi valla, dahi chaats, papdi chaats, pasta as per order, keema pav, bada pav, etc. Next comes a live pizza counter where customization can be done according to your taste and choice. Then I move to the main course section. This is the non-vegetarian main course section which starts with soup and then they have an array of dishes. After the non-veg counter, they have a salad bar where they had papas, raita, salads, dips and dahi vallas too. And after that, the vegetarian section begins. This is a bar counter where they prepare delicious mocktails as per order. It was a Friday evening when we went for a dinner in the AB's. Since it was a weekend, the restaurant was almost full. Inside the live grill section, they have a counter called Wish Grill. Here, any customer of the restaurant can walk in and do customization of a menu according to their wish. Here, I wanted to prepare some noodles according to my version. Here Ananjit is also helping me to prepare my unique dish. While the staffs were setting up grills in our table, they insisted us to try some bada paws and other items from the live counters. The street foods were also very tasty. Live grill is ready and here comes a lot of starters from chicken to fish to mutton to prawns, all the delicious and yummy dishes. They have some vegetarian dishes too in the starter. Trust me, the food is so yummy. Off camera we had a lot of starters and moved on to the main course now. In the main course also they have a lot of varieties from biryani to Chinese to dahi valla and Indian menus like chawal, dal, sabji, everything, anything you wish to have they have it, and the Indian bread basket also. This is the delicious mutton handi from their live counter. After yummy starter and main course, we moved on to the dessert counter where they have different varieties of cakes, firnis, ice creams, pansot, kulfi and shondes. This is the most yummiest thing ever, the hot gulab jamun, and also they have a live jalebi and malpua counter. Once the food is over, I had my birthday celebration.